there is an attack that if God didn't keep his hand protecting us, we would be overwhelmed. We would be overwhelmed. There's some people who have found themselves in sin because they came under an intense attack, longer and more costlier than they thought. Everybody that fails, everybody that sins is not that way because they started off that way. There's a lot of saints in jail and prison, and they had no idea when they met that person or took up that thing, it would take them there. But the devil knew. So we want them back. We want all of God's children back in the house. I don't care what they've done. I don't care what mistake they've made. That's our brother and our sister. That's our mothers and our fathers. And we want them back. We want every last one of them that the devil thinks he can hold and enslave and keep them in bondage. We want them back. That's what we want. We want our sisters, our brothers, our sons and daughters who grew up in church and now they're on drugs, now they're in perversions. We want all of God's children back in the house. I don't care what they've done.